90% students get tongue MCQs wrong. Let's fix it in 150 seconds. Don't lose easy marks in anatomy. Let's start with division of tongue. Tongue divided into two parts, anterior 2/3 and posterior 1/3. Sulcus terminalis plus foramen caesum equal to divider. Let's move to papilla. Papilla. Remember this trick. Filiform equal to no taste. Fungiform is related to taste. Circumvallate is most important, whereas foliate is rudimentary. Most important, nerve supplies. This is where toppers win. Anterior 2/3 is supplied by general sensation by mandibular nerve, which is denoted by lingual nerve, whereas taste sensation from facial nerve supplied by chorda tympani. Posterior 1/3, both supplies by glossopharyngeal. Epiglottis supplied by vagus nerve. Let's move to motor. Motor seems to be easy. Yes, it is. Because all muscles are supplied by hypoglossal nerve except palatoglossus, which is supplied by vagus nerve. Let's move to injury question alert. What happens when tongue deviates to same side? Which nerve is the one to affect? It is hypoglossal lesion. Let's move to most important part of NEET MDS preparation, that is MCQ. Question 1. General sensation of anterior 2/3 of tongue is carried by A. Glossopharyngeal, B. Lingual, C. Hypoglossal or D. Chorda tympani. Answer is B. Lingual. Question 2. Taste from anterior 2/3 of tongue is carried by A. Lingual nerve, B. Glossopharyngeal, C. Chorda tympani, D. Hypoglossal. Answer is C. Chorda tympani. Question 3. Which of the following tongue muscles is not supplied by hypoglossal nerve? A. Genioglossus, B. Hyoglossus, C. Styloglossus or D. Palatoglossus. Answer is D. Palatoglossus. Question 4. Which papilla of tongue does not contain taste buds? A. Fungiform, B. Circumvallate, C. Foliate or D. Filiform. Answer is D. Filiform. Question 5. Posterior 1/3 of tongues develop from A. First pharyngeal arch, B. Second pharyngeal arch, C. Third pharyngeal arch or D. Fourth pharyngeal arch. Answer is C. Third pharyngeal arch. If this made tongue anatomy crystal clear, imagine what daily high yield shots can do for your NEET MDS rank. Hit follow on DentoVision right now. Get daily MCQ based rapid revision. Learn only what actually gets asked in exams. Comment tongue done so I know you are serious. Study smart, stay ahead, Dento.